Okay, SpongeBob, I'm gonna go get some Krabby Patties. I'll go to the store.
Okay, don't worry. I won't flood the Krusty Krab or anything.
Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Don't be black and flood that like black guys.
Oh, I better wash my hands. I got some beef juice all over them. I have brown hands. That's not good. Okay. Ooh, this tap says it can release 100 liters of water per second. Wash my hands. Ah! Oh my god! I flooded the Krusty Krab! I need help! Patrick! Squidward! Oh my god, Patrick! Patrick! I flooded the Krusty Krab!
SpongeBob, what's a flood?
It's when a lot of water comes and you drown.
What's drowning?
When there's too much water and you can't breathe.
What's breathing?
The way that you get air to your body and you don't die.
What's a die?
It's when you die and you're dead and your body parts come off. Patrick, is it you?
Yeah, it's me, SpongeBob. What happened?
A second wave came.
SpongeBob! I want ice cream!
What do we do now?
Oh, that was wild, man. I still want ice cream.
What do we do now?
Whoa. What's that? What was that? That was the third wave.
Okay.
That was the third wave.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I think... Watch for the Krabby Patties. Everyone looks dead. What happened? Oh, SpongeBob I can finally get what I want. Come in. Oh, yeah.
Mr. Krabs, why is your penis on my bum?